You know what grinds my gears? Picture this. You're in a super quiet room, maybe a meeting, a library, or even worse, a first date. Then out of nowhere, your stomach goes. Seriously? This is when it wants to audition for America's Got Talent? Let's be real, it's like your belly's got its own plans. It's the lead singer in the band you never signed up for. And the worst part? Everyone hears it. You get those side-eye glances, those little smirks. You're thinking, hey, I fed you breakfast, what more do you want? Honestly, it's like your gut's got a vendetta. Maybe it's protesting for more snacks. Next time, carry emergency crackers, people. Because when your stomach decides to perform, nobody's safe. So, next time your belly pulls a stunt, just own it. Give a bow and say, thank you, I've been practicing. Remember, folks, sometimes the most unexpected moments become the best stories. Till then, keep those snacks handy and stay awesome.